Today we're back with my 2023 Chevrolet Camaro SS 1LE, and we are at the racetrack. It's January, it's 11 degrees, and what else is there to do but come to M1 Concours and continue to burn off this old set of WS80 winter tires. These are 7-year-old tires. They've got a little bit of tread on them left, but we've got a new set of Michelin Pilot Alpine PA4s on order, and these gotta die. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna do some burnouts, we're gonna do some track laps, maybe a little bit of drifting on the skid pad, substitute TOFers in the passenger seat. Let's go have some fun in this thing. I didn't really think the first time I take this on track would be on winter tires. I was thinking, oh, it'll probably be on the stock 1LE wheels with the Goodyear supercar tires, but no, here we are in January, and you know, when you're bored, you find creative ways to do dumb things with your friends. So here we are in the Camaro SS 1LE. Hey.
Hey.
All right, so we are in track mode. Suspension is in sport. Traction is off. We'll start with the burnout. Get things nice and warmed up. All right, so first impressions of the SS 1LE on track. Well, steering is fantastic. Power is great. I don't know if these brakes have ever really been bedded in, so we'll do some of that today. Oh, it just sounds so good out here. Rev matching is on. We're gonna take it easy in braking zones because we just do not have a lot of mechanical grip. That's okay. Still a bit of snow on the track, but not terrible.
It's so easy to initiate.
It's so easy. Steering is amazing in this car. I mean, what else did you think we were gonna do? These 7-year-old Blizzaks are doing awesome on track. Maybe because they're just so hard at this point.
I'm surprised how much grip they do have.
Crazy. No lift shift.
Yes.
Yeah, we still got to get a track alignment. So beautifully neutral and balanced. You can't do this on the 305 wide
Definitely
track tires. These are 345 50 18s. check
Yeah, the brakes are starting to.
the status. We'll do a cool down lap. Yeah, brakes are getting a little hot smelling. Allegedly, the stock pads do pretty well on these, but this is stock fluid. We'll take it easy. So I've messed around with a couple of the traction control settings already, ESC competitive mode, etc. Honestly, they work great if you're, maybe trying to do safe laps, fast laps. ESC competitive track mode still holds you back a little bit. I don't know, man. I just like turning everything off.
Yeah.
I really do enjoy just having full control over the car. Why didn't I buy one of these sooner?
I don't know.
I asked the same question about the S2000. This is really fun. All right, let's go look at these winter tires, see what state they're in. And if they're good, we're just gonna keep sliding around on them. Maybe on the skid pad some. Yeah, brakes do have a little bit of a vibration.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's the tire just being a little bit wonky and old and hard. You feel the sidewalls of these things, they only have 30 PSI in them, and it's just like a brick.
Yeah.
Chris will remember this very well. One year we came here with the M5, and before doing any laps, we just went out into the skid pad and immediately delaminated like 2 of the rear tires.
Yes.
So
After like 30 seconds.
the lesson learned there is get your tires warmed up before you do a bunch of sliding around.
Yes, indeed.
Oh yeah. I mean, they're wearing down, but they're not delaminating.
Yeah, they look fine.
Yeah, that's good.
A little melty, but they're.
No, that's fine.
Yep.
I think actually they're getting grippier because they're getting worn down.
Yeah.
All right, well, burnout time. That's a lot of tire smoke. All right, burnout number 2.
America.
All right.
There went my iPhone. All right, so, oh, skip shift. Final thoughts on the Camaro SS1LE around the racetrack on winter tires that are now, they probably have more grip now that they're the wear bars, because it's just more contact patch,
Just
right?
made of goop.
Yeah, more rubber, and they're warmed up,
Yeah.
so we can do a hot lap. Yeah, very thankful to M1 Conquerors for opening up their track for us today so that we could burn off these winter tires. Such a beast on the track.
Yeah, Gingerman. This
Yeah.
is gonna rip.
I gotta figure out the brakes.
Yeah.
The stock pads feel weird.
I just can't believe this car came this way from the factory.
It's insane.
Yeah.
It is absolutely insane. Super adjustable on and off throttle.
Yeah, impressive grip through there.
It is. Just all the torque you could want.
Yeah.
I mean, this is just the stuff of dreams, Christopher. Leaving in third here. The beautiful thing about an old winter tire at the end of its life is that it's consistent.
Yes.
It's not going to catch you out. It's not going to surprise you. Whether it's wet, whether it's dry. These have zero grip on the snow. But everywhere else, they're really fun to drive on. And I'm thankful for this digital rear view mirror so we can see all the blue smoke in the mirror, in the rear view.
This is just the best.
One more slide. Whew, bit of a handful. You're gonna want grippy gloves for this suede steering wheel. All right, we'll pit. It's a good sketchy note to end on. Yeah, if you're going fast enough, it will rev match into first.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just speed dependent.
I love this car. This is fun.
I love this car.
This is really fun.
This might be my favorite car you've ever owned.
I think so. Oil temp stayed cool. I'll have to figure out the brakes. I'll have to do some research.
Yeah.
I've heard people track on the stock pads, but we probably got to upgrade the fluid. And yeah, maybe they just need to be bedded in properly.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming along. That was a good time.
Thanks for having me. That was great. Oh, you know I love going sideways in cars.
Absolutely.
You've got a thin layer of tire veneer on your mud flaps.
I figured I might. That's why they're there. And the inside of the wheel wells.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this is getting a full detail on the spring. Actually, there's more tire left than I thought there would be. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that ridiculous video. Went exactly the way I thought it would. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, just gonna keep having fun in the Camaro, and maybe we'll actually get some snow and we can actually put some winter tires to test. But I think these PA4s will be perfect for this car because they'll have good mechanical grip. They won't be too squishy. It's a performance winter tire, and not going to be doing this stuff on them because, yeah, this car definitely goes through tires quicker than like a BRZ, for example. Thanks again to M1 Concours for letting us come out today. Go check them out at m1concours.com, and thanks to TheTopher for joining us.
Yes.
We'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.